Will it be breakfast? Will it be breakfast? Well, we'll find out here soon. Okay, guys, you got breakfast. You could do this with breakfast though. Mushroom stuffed mushrooms, guys. We got get mushrooms for this dish. Mushroom stems are sautéed, seasoned in cream, then used to fill the mushroom caps. Serve either as an appetizer, or first course, or garnish, or accompaniment to broiled steak. You'll need 12 large mushrooms, 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter, a cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of dried basil leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of whipping cream, 1/4 cup of Parma cheese, cherry tomatoes and parsley sprigs for garnish. To serve as a cocktail party appetizer, serve on rounds of toast. As a first course or steak accompaniment, serve 3 stuffed caps per person. Garnish if desired with chopped fresh parsley or chopped nuts. To prep, remove the stems from the mushrooms and chop into 1/4 pieces. Set aside. Heat butter in heavy skillet. Add mushroom caps. Saute quickly over high heat for 30 seconds on each side or until just brown. Do not let mushrooms get watery by overcooking. Transfer mushrooms to heat-proof serving tray with bottom sides up. Add mushroom stems to skillet and saute over high heat about 2 minutes. Add basil, salt, and cream. Heat to boiling and cook until cream is reduced by half and slightly thickened. Stir in Parma cheese. Spoon cream mixture into mushroom caps, dividing evenly and mounding the filling slightly. Mushrooms can be prepared ahead to this point, covered and refrigerated. Place stuffed mushrooms under the preheated boiler about 6 inches from heat and broil until heat through and lightly brown. Transfer to a serving platter and garnish with cherry tomatoes and parsley sprigs. That sounds like a good one, and here's the picture. That's a good recipe. That was worth sharing there. Worth sharing. Maybe from Holland, I don't know. Here we go. Now breakfast. Now we're talking breakfast. Eggs and cheese. Cheese straws. Mix 24. Half a cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of ice water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup grated Parma cheese, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and a pinch of red pepper. Melt 2 tablespoons of the butter in a large bowl. Stir together water, melted butter, salt. Stir in the flour. Shape into 7 by 9 shape into 7 by 9 inch rectangle. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate 10 minutes. Place remaining butter between 2 pieces of wax paper. Roll into a 3 by 5 inch rectangle. Fold the butter into quarters and roll into a 3 by 5 inch rectangle again. Repeat 4 times. Kind of tricky. Remove the dough from the refrigerator. Place on a lightly floured board. Place butter in center of the dough. Fold the dough to completely enclose the butter. Roll without pressing too hard into an 8 by 11 inch rectangle. Fold 1/3 of the dough toward the center. Cover with remaining 1/3 dough to make an 8 by 3.5 inch book. Roll again into an 8 by 11 inch rectangle, dusting the board with flour as necessary. Then fold into book. Cover dough with plastic wrap and place in refrigerator for 30 minutes. You have now made 2 turns. Remove from refrigerator and make 2 more turns. Return to refrigerator wrapped in plastic and let rest 30 minutes. Repeat once again for a total of 6 turns. After the dough has rested, roll into an 18 by 7 inch rectangle. In a medium bowl, combine cheese, paprika, chili powder, and red pepper. Sprinkle half of the cheese mixture over the pastry. Turn pastry over and sprinkle with the remaining cheese mixture. Cut into 7 by 1/2 inch strips. Grease 2 baking sheets. Place one end of the strip in each hand. Twist in opposite direction to produce a candy cane effect. Place on the baking sheet. When sheets are filled with straws, place in the 400-degree oven for 12 minutes or until completely puffed. Can be served warm or at room temperature. Wow. Well, that's what they look like. there's no eggs in it, but you could use the cheese straw and have eggs with it, though. But it's cheese and eggs. In any case, thanks for watching. I hope you guys gained something, maybe picked up something out of this, or it was worthwhile. Later, guys.